Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, and I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. This is my Sephora Play October 2019 unboxings. If you like unboxings, if you like hauls, if you like mass try-ons, and if you like tutorials and first impressions, all beauty related, then hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get into this video. So this is what the box looks like. It usually comes with a 50-point beauty insider point perk, but it now has a 20% off foundation. Oh yeah, the theme of this bag this month is all face products. That's why it's all like foundation, skin, base products. So you get 20% off, and then also you're about to have the Sephora VIB and Beauty Insider sale. So can't wait for that. That's also 20% off if you're a VIB Rouge or VIB. Yeah. And then they like 15% for like Beauty Insiders or something like that. So you get 20% off foundations, period, from October 15th to November 30th. See right here, it says Joy of Complexion. That's the theme. See, I knew it was complexion products. Anyways, this month, the bag, it is blue, and it's busting at the top. The back says miniature beauty, major satisfaction, hashtag Sephora Play. Do I reuse these bags? Yes. Do I reuse it as for like, I reuse it for like gifts. I don't reuse it like actually reuse it, or I reuse it for like my lunch, like for like a sandwich or something. But anyways, the first product that we got is from Cover FX. I actually wanted this. This is their high performance setting spray, 24-hour wear. I saw the little samples and everything that they had when Sephora was doing their reveal videos, and I was like, I want this because I have like, it comes with a ball. Because I was like, I have the all-nighter. I have 2 of the all-nighters. I don't need another like all-nighter. Anyways, oh, by the way, if you haven't known, I've been doing my Sephora plays like this lately. And Sephora Play is basically a $10 a month beauty subscription that gives you like sample size products, never full size, and just to try out stuff that is in Sephora. Oh, by the way, this is a Josie Marin. Okay. It's a face oil. This is a 100% pure argan oil. Here's what it looks like. Did you guys know that argan oil is a superfood for the skin? Like, it reduces fine lines and wrinkles, and it also gives hydration. So I am so glad, because I was running out of my oil, and I kind of don't want to buy another one of those because those are expensive. And I think it was limited edition, so I don't know. But I can't wait to try this out. And even though I have combination skin, oily to combination skin, oils combat oils. So I really like to have oils, especially during winter months. And it's about to be winter season. This is Living Proof Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream. I'll use this because my hair is about to be going into a frizzy month. Like, I just got a wash and set like 4 days ago, and after a week, after the 7 days, my hair starts to get frizzy, and then I have to do this. Then I have to wash it myself, blow dry it myself, and everything else after like 10 days. That's like my thing, and I do like a wash and set every 2 weeks. So yeah. So I'm gonna use this when I finish, washing my hair and everything else, and I need to, style it. This is what I'm gonna be using. So in like 2 weeks or so, I'm gonna tell you like if I really like it or not. Oh, by the way, you also get a bonus item. You always get a 6 sample, and this was the 6th sample. This is, oh, I didn't want this. This is the Mega Mushroom Relief and I didn't want this because this is for redness. This is a like a serum-y lotion, like a liquid. It's not white, it's clear. It's like a serum, and it's for reducing redness and calming skin down. So if you have like very irritated skin or very red skin, you know, this calms it down. Probably gonna be putting this in one of my samples for the bags that I have in my Macrae and my Poshmark, which will be linked down below. But yeah, oh, and this is by Origins. I'm sorry, this video is like all over the place. Like 2 products left. Oh, and I did not want this. I got a Quench Tart sample before. This is just a hydrating primer. It's a little sample. This is actually something that I wanted. This is from Shiseido. This is the clear hydrating moisturizing cream. It's like a little baby sample. Ooh, and there it is, clear as day. That's it on my hand. It gives like a little shine. It has a scent, like a perfumey scent. Anyways, these are all the products that I got in my bag. Do I like it? I could do without 2 of the products. And the thing is that if they had my shades in the foundations, I probably would have gotten a foundation. But I'm glad they didn't give me the wrong shade. So I'm happy for that. By the way, I got version A, box A. So out of the 6 samples, I like 4. Out of the 5 main products, I like 3. I just don't like those 2 right there. Anyways, have a great day, have a great night whenever you're watching this, and bye you guys.